Rolling into success, understanding, being on a roll. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, being on a roll. This phrase is used widely and adds a splash of color to everyday English conversations. Whether you're learning English for personal development, travel, or professional reasons, grasping such idiomatic expressions is key to sounding like a native speaker. Being on a roll is an idiom that means experiencing a period of success or good luck. Imagine a ball rolling downhill, gaining momentum and speed. Similarly, when someone is on a roll, they're moving forward in a positive way, with one success following another. It's often used when someone is winning continuously in sports, doing well in their career, or succeeding in personal endeavors. The phrase, being on a roll, is believed to have its origins in gambling, particularly in games involving dice, like craps. When a player was having a continuous streak of wins, they were said to be on a roll. This concept easily translated into everyday language, symbolizing a streak of success or good fortune in various aspects of life. 1. Positive context. She's really on a roll with her new business, already expanding to new cities. 2. Encouragement. You're on a roll. Keep up the great work. 3. Reflecting on success. I was really on a roll last week, finishing all my projects ahead of time. Remember, the phrase is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. The phrase has transcended its literal meaning, becoming a part of pop culture. You might hear variations like, on a winning streak, or hitting a lucky streak, which convey similar meanings. It's a testament to the dynamic and evolving nature of the English language. Understanding phrases like, being on a roll, not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insights into the cultural nuances of the English language. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to keep learning and exploring. Keep rolling towards success in your English language journey.